unboxing and review. This time it's actually a new blaster. It just came out this spring and it just hit stores last month. And so I am very pleased to bring you the Nerf Modulus Mediator. This is the core blaster. It comes with a 6-round clip. It's pump action and it's awesome. I can't wait to get this out of the box. First, let's take a look at the back of the box here. Advertises the barrel, cannon, and the holster blast, the stock blaster back here, which is really cool. And of course, it advertises that its clip well is on the side. You can see there. So without any further ado, let's get this out of the box. Okay, so everything's out of the box. Exactly on the side. We've got some instructions here, which I will need. We've got the 6 Modulus darts that it ships with. Set those over there. Comes with a 6-round clip. Go ahead and put the breech on. And this isn't the breech, this is the mag well. Go ahead and attach. There we go. And once it's on there for good, as far as I know. Yeah, it's on there for good. And it's not bad. That, as far as Modulus handles goes, this is really good. That is plenty of room. I was a little bit concerned because I thought this would like slam into your hand, but it doesn't. It's not bad. It's pretty good. It's very compact, very small. I really am digging the aesthetic that they went with here. You've got a tactical rail on the side and the top, and a nice big jam door here. You can get access to the darts, and you've got your clip well there. And yeah, and it's got a decent sight. It's okay. As far as iron sights go, it's okay. You've got a stock attachment point, a barrel attachment point, obviously for the stock. I have barrel that are sold separately for this. You've got a vertical foregrip. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the 6-round clip that this comes with, and my cat is wanting to say hi. Say hi, Neems. This is my cat Nemo. He hasn't really gotten himself on camera before, but it seems like he's eager to do so today. He really likes my new work desk. He wants to be paid attention to. Don't you need? Alright, so let's go ahead and load up 6-round clip. That's decent performance. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 shots slam fire, kind of see if there's a difference. And there's not. It's about the same performance between slam fire and single fire. And that is a very smooth. It grab drops, so you can just drop your clip, slap the next one in, and you're ready to go. This is pretty cool. I'm really digging the nice dark blue that they went with for the Modulus this time. I like that over the original lime green. I think they should have gone with this sooner. but as far as the overall comfort of the blaster, it's not bad. It really is designed for close quarters, just slam firing and pumping out a whole bunch of darts at once. And I think this would be absolutely great for HVZ because, honestly, I mean, it's side fed, which is pretty good. You can continue aiming at your opponent while you drop in clicks. And it is a little bit loud, but that's okay. I don't mind that. It's not designed to be a stealth blaster. As far as the smoothness of the overall operation, it's pretty good. It's pretty smooth. It's got a bit of a ratchet sound to it. I think that's mainly because there's probably a gearbox in here that's being actuated when you prime it, which isn't that bad. It's not the end of the world. It means that we probably won't be able to put too hefty a spring load in this, but I don't know. We'll have to open it up to find out. And I'm really excited to open this up, hopefully here soon, and see just how big a spring I can put in this. I know it probably can't take a K26, but I don't know. I'll have to do some research into that and see if it can take a K26, how long does it survive? I mean, K26 is a significant spring load, and I would certainly like to know if this can take a K26. If it can, that would be awesome. But if not, that's okay. We can always put another spring in it to make it a little bit more powerful and to make it HVZ worthy. As it is, it'd be fine out of the box for an HVZ primary. It's mag fed, it's slam fire, and it gets decent performance. There's no dart drop from here to my target, which was about, I don't know, I'd say 40 feet or so, and there was no dart drop. So I would say you'd be good at about 50 feet if you were aiming at somebody. As far as the overall performance goes, I would say this thing's probably getting about standard elite performance, which is not bad. Modified, I can't speak for that, but if you guys want a mod guide for this, comment in the comments below. If you guys want one, I will do one. If not, then I'm just going to modify this for myself and friends. But if you guys do want a mod guide, then I will make that for you. I will be putting out mod guides for the Helios and any other rival blasters that people recommend, or any other blasters that can take K26 once I get a section of that. And I should be getting a little bit of cash so I can do some K26, hopefully in the future. So be looking for that and look forward to that. Also, as you'll notice with this video, the watermark is gone. It no longer says made with Filmora on my videos. That is because I got the full version, and it was actually a gift from my brother who gave me the full version, which is really cool. So now I no longer have to worry about that annoying watermark that goes all the way across my videos and completely blocks out half the stuff I'm trying to show you guys, which kind of stinks. But now it's gone, and nice clean screen. Isn't that great? As far as the aesthetics goes, again, Hasbro chest deco one side. It's Hasbro, they're saving money, I don't know. But if you want to paint this thing, it looks like it should be fairly easy. The handle is a whole separate piece. This handle is obviously a separate piece. The muzzle is a whole separate piece, and so is the magwell if you so chose to make that a different color. That being said, there is a lot of really cool spots where you could just absolutely go to town and do some phenomenal paint jobs with this. But you would need some absolutely insane clear coat because it's a springer that it's rubbing against, you know, it's going to have friction, and that creates issues with paint. So, but anyways, I also have sad news. I will no longer I was going to originally do a video on a mod that I did called the Thunder Strike. It was such an awesome mod. I did a Roto Fury that I reduced the barrels, I put a new spring in it, I took out the air restrictor. This thing hits like a truck and it is awesome. It's part of my Stormbringer series that I'm taking to End War, but it's no longer sellable, and since it is no longer sellable, I kind of feel like I would be cheating you guys out of seeing it in its prime, because the internals on it, they broke a little bit. In the back of the plunger rod, there's a small white plate that kind of keeps everything lined, and it's part of the slam fire mechanism as well. Unfortunately, that broke, and it broke very badly. Now the only thing that it's doing is keeping the plunger rod from flying out of alignment completely and just ruining the blaster altogether. The only way it's firing at the moment is it's barely holding itself together, and I could not justify selling this to you guys because I want to bring the highest quality I can, but that isn't the highest quality I can bring you, and I know that, so that is why I am taking it off the market. Now, it's unfortunate and it really stinks for me because I lose money, but it's not the end of the world because I also learned from that experience, and I learned a few things that will hopefully in the future be able to save such tragedies from happening again. Now, on to a little bit of channel news. I'm going to be starting now. I'm going to be featuring every week a new mod from one of you guys. You guys submit a mod to me in the comment section or send it to me on Facebook. I'm nerfantermods on Facebook, not that hard to find. Also, my email account, nerfantermods@gmail. I'm going to put those right here at the bottom of the screen and in the description box so you guys know where to send your mods. So please include 1 to 5 pictures somewhere there and a decent description of your mods so I can do it justice. I want to really show off your guys' work as well as mine and give other people inspiration for more mods that they can do, and inspiration for younger nerfers and for people who are new to the modding community so that they can get into it, and it'll just, I'm hoping it'll just be awesome. We'll hopefully have new people joining the modding community. We'll have people getting inspired by others to do mods that they never even thought of, or finally getting inspired to do that mod that they've been putting off forever. And so I'm hoping that it brings the community together a little bit and really helps out each other in inspiration and showing what others can do, and yeah, and a chance to show off your guys' work too, because I know you guys do some phenomenal work. I've seen it on Facebook and I've seen it on you guys' YouTube channels, so I can't wait to see even more of what you guys make, and I can't wait to feature it on the channel so others can see it as well. People who may not have Facebook or who don't get on very often, and people who may not even know how or where to find your mods any other way. So hopefully it'll help you guys out, it'll help me out, and it'll bring more people into the community, and it'll inspire others to build. So I hope that all works out great. I can't wait for the mods to start rolling in. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. That's going to be the exciting part, seeing what you guys come up with to feature on Mod of the Week. And should we call it Mod of the Week, or do you guys have any other suggestions on that? If not, I'm going to go with Mod of the Week or Weekly Mod. One of those two. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been my review of the Modulus Mediator, and a little bit of channel news thrown in. And so yeah, a little bit of an update, a bit of a review. The new Mediator, guys. This is pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. I always love hearing what you guys have to say. And this is nerfinator signing off.
Yeah.